Good morning, my dear students. So as you know that we were doing singular and plural revision. Already we have done exercise 3A and 3B. So now it's a turn for exercise 3C and 3D. But before starting those exercises, let's recall what is singular. A singular noun names one person, place, thing or an idea. Means a noun which refers to any one person, one place, one thing or idea is known as singular noun. For example, bag, book, pencil, etc. Or could be anything which is singular around you. Then plural, a plural noun names more than one person, place, thing or idea. For example, bags, books, pencils, etc. means when we talk about more than one person, more than one animal, more than one thing, more than one idea is known as plural, right? So there are so many ways in from changing singular to plural. For example, the first way is by adding s. Simply we can add s to make singular to plural. If you want to convert, suppose parent, so we will just add s and become parents, means plural. Then flower, so we just add s and make it plural. Now there are some nouns ending in a consonant before the final y. There are some nouns which end with y, but before y there is a consonant word, consonant. For example, baby, baby. So baby may y is the final it's ending with y, but before y we have b, which is consonant. So what we will do, we will remove y and add ies. For example, babies, babies. Then again one more example, puppy, puppy. So we'll remove y because before y there is p, which is consonant. So we'll remove y and put ies. Now there are some nouns ending in a vowel before the final y. Means before y, if there's a vowel, for example, toy, toy. So before y there is a vowel, not consonant, vowel. O is vowel. So in this case, what will we do? We will not remove y. We will not write ies, but instead of that, we will just simply add s, toys, toys. For example, boy, boy. So before y there is a vowel. So what we will do, we will simply add s. Same way, monkey, monkey. So before y there is e, which is a vowel. So what we will do, we will simply put s. We will not remove y in this case. So there are many ways which we have already discussed. I request all of you to please see that video again, so that it will be easy for you when we will do exercise. So now let's come to exercise 3C. I hope you all are ready with your books. Page 26. Okay. In this one, you have to rewrite the following sentences using the singular or plural form of the underlined words. Means in the sentences some words are given. You have to write the sentence again by changing this underlined word. If it is singular, you have to write the plural of that word. If it is plural, you have to write the singular of that word. For example, the first one, the dog won many medals. So here dog, which is a noun, is highlighted or underlined. So it is a singular or plural. You have to identify first whether it is singular or plural. So yes, it is a singular. So what we will do, we have to convert into a plural one. So the first rule which we have done, we will just simply put s. It will be dogs, which is a plural. The dogs won many medals, full stop. Second one, Judy has very long hair. So now here, hair is underlined, which we have to convert into plural. We have to change into plural. So you know that there are some nouns which do not change. It remains same. So here, Judy has very long hair. Here will remain same. Do not write s over here. There is no such word called hairs. Hair is not a word. So hair is remains same. It's a plural. Then third one, put the loaf of bread into the bread basket. Here loaf is singular. So as you know that we have we have already done this type of words. Put the loaf. F is given over there. We remove F and we'll put VES. So the sentence will be, put the loaves of bread into the bread basket. Full stop. Don't forget to put full stop. Fourth one, her story will make you laugh. So story will change into stories. Her stories will make you laugh. If you remember, we have just done this type of words. Story, STORY. So before Y there's a consonant, so we'll remove Y and put IES. Then, have you seen the little mouse running around? So mouse will convert into mice. As you know, there are some words which totally change. For example, mouse become mice. So mouse is singular and mice plural. So have you seen the little mice running around? And here is a question mark, so you have to put the question mark again because here you are asking the question. Okay, then exercise 3D, page number 27. Rewrite the correct singular or plural form in the place of the underlined words. So now here some singular or plural words are given wrong. So you have to write the correct singular or plural. Maybe some spellings are wrong or some other way it is given wrong. So you have to do the correction. So the first one, we went to 2 birthday parties. So do you think the spelling of parties should be like this? So plural of parties spelling is wrong, right? So what we will do, we will change the spelling. We went to 2 birthday parties. So spelling of parties should be PARTIES and put full stop. Then the man has many sheeps. So after, as I have told you, there are some words which do not change, like hare, sheep, deer. They all have the same plural form. So the man has many sheep, 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 which itself says it's a plural. Third, the policeman ran after the thieves. So the policeman ran after the thieves, THIEVES. See the spelling of thieves. Then, animals should not be caged in zoos. So animals should not be caged in zoos. ZOOS. Will not put E. Full stop. Then, yesterday I bought a bag of flowers. Sorry, yesterday I brought a bag of flowers from the market. Yesterday, so answer is, yesterday I bought a bag of flour from the market. So the spelling of flour will be FLOUR. There's no plural form of it. Means FLOUR itself it's plural. Will not put S. Sixth one, the wolves were howling in the dark. So wolves spelling WOLVES. The wolves were howling in the dark. Then the ladies were singing a song. The ladies were singing a song. So ladies spelling LADIES. The ladies were singing a song. Full stop. Eighth one, the childs are running after the butterflies. So you can see childs or the children. The children are running after the butterflies. Look at the spellings. The butcher used sharp knives to cut meat. So answer will be, butchers use sharp knives, KNIVES, knives to cut meat. Full stop. 10th, he sells scarves for women. The answer will be, he sells scarves, SCARVES. We'll remove FS and we'll write SCARVES, scarves for women, WOMEN, women. Full stop. Thank you.